Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field to a form in Smartsheet. This is a useful feature when you need to collect acknowledgements or approvals through your forms, and I'll show you both the standard method and an alternative workaround if you're on a free plan. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where you can access all your sheets and forms. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find the Create button, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Form. This opens up the Form Builder interface where you can start designing your form from scratch. After the form loads, look for the option that says New Field and click on it. This is where things get interesting depending on your account type. If you have a paid or trial account, you'll see Signature as one of the field type options. However, if you're using a free account, the signature field requires an upgrade since it's not available on the free plan. But don't worry, I'll show you a practical alternative that works just as well for basic signature needs. For the workaround, name your new field something like signature. Then instead of selecting the signature field type, choose text or number from the drop-down menu. Once you've made your selection, click OK to create the field. Now that the field is created, you can drag it into position on your form wherever you want it to appear. Click on the field to select it, and you'll notice an editing panel appears on the right side of the screen. This is where you can customize how the field works and what instructions your users will see. In the Help Text section, type in something like "Please type your full name for your signature." This gives clear instructions to anyone filling out the form about what they need to do. It's important to be specific here so users understand this is meant to serve as their digital acknowledgement. Next, look for the option labeled Required and make sure to enable it. This ensures that no one can submit the form without filling in this field, which is crucial if you're using it for acknowledgements or approvals. While this alternative method doesn't capture a drawn signature like the premium version would, it still serves as a simple and effective digital acknowledgement. It's perfect for internal forms, basic approvals, or any situation where you need someone to confirm their identity by typing their name. And that's it, you've successfully added a signature field to your Smartsheet form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.